Hi guys, today we are looking at one of the applications of mathematics. Students often complain that what the application, what end is what they are learning in mathematics. So I'm going to be taking you guys through a series, and here's one of them. So we have a question. Here is an object is facing east and spins 2,970 degrees clockwise. What direction is the object facing now? This is just a question that can be asked, or you can try to understand, oh, when I spin this object around this way or in the compass direction, where will it be? What direction will it be exactly at a particular time or at particular degrees? That's the fun feeling part of mathematics. So how do we get this done? Let's get to this. So we want to get this out. This particular 2,970 degrees. We want to know for how will that be. So let's get to it. The question already given us what to do already. So let me quickly make this snappy. Let me make this snappy. So we have this. I'll just do two of this, then we are good to go. So we have this. Of course, we all know this is our north, this is our east, this is your west, this is not the east. Then we have the south, we have the west. The question is this: an object is already facing where? According to the question, it says already facing the east, then spins 2,970. So what do we do? It's already facing the east. How do we go about this? First, you determine if it's to move along this coordinates. Like, how many quadrants do we have? We have this is a quadrant, is a quadrant, is a quadrant, is a quadrant, and each quadrant is 90 degrees. So let's know how many 90 degrees it will cover first. So how many 90 degrees is going to cover? So what do we have? We have 2,970 divided by 90. So we want to know how many 90 degrees is going to cover. So we have this, cancel out this. 9 here, 9 in 27, we have 3. Remain the 2. In 27 again, we have 3, right? So it's going to go 90 degrees 33 times. That's the meaning of this. Now, let's look at it again. For each of these quadrants, it's already at this point. I want to explain something. It's already at the point here. This is where it is at the moment. So it's meant to move now clockwise. So it's already at this point. It's already at the east point. So let's know, since it's going to move 90 degrees 33 times, let's know for each, how many quadrants do we have here? We have 4. So that will determine where it's going to fall. We're going to see how do we get that done. We divide 33 by what? By 4. So 33 divided by 4. Don't forget, whenever we work in modular arithmetic, it's an application of modular arithmetic in mathematics. So by the time we do this, we're going to be having what? 33 divided by 4. And that will give us what? 8 remainder 1. So this is our answer. This 1 is our answer. Since we are left with 1. So that 1 is our answer. That implies that from the east, it's going to move again it's going to move around the quadrant 8 times and get back to the east. You understand? So now, the remainder 1 means just a step away from the east. So if it's moving away from the east, where will it be moving to? Automatically, it will move from the east, then get to the south. So the answer to our question is south. That's a simple question, right? Very, very simple. So you can try this. You try 3070 degrees. Let me have your answer in the option. Let's know where will it fall. By the time it moves from the east, I'm using the same east, and covers 3070 degrees. Thank you for showing up. See you some all the time. Bye for now.